Aloha, this is Jason from Honolulu Best Realtor. So today we are going to go in to look at a pre-renovated unit, and let's go take a look. Come on in. So as you can tell, we are starting to do the bathroom here, taking it out. So get ready for the water shutdown on Friday. And then this is the current condition of the unit. It's pretty outdated, and basically we're going to do a complete remodel. So probably will take about 3 weeks to get it completed. Okay, so we are in the second day here. This is taking everything out. The kitchen cabinets all gone. The mirrors gone. Everything's gone. Yeah, it's good to go. And 16. We got the bathroom here. It's already ready for the waterproofing and everything. Ready to put the shower in. All the walls already completed, and then this is gonna be the cabinet right here. Alrighty, so we are putting up all the details here.